What are the new shortcuts for Windows 8? I love the keyboard shortcuts in Windows 7, i.e. Win plus moves a window to the left side of the screen, but I'm not sure on what some of the new ones might be for Windows 8. What are all of the new keyboard shortcuts that I can use while working in Windows 8?
How to Geek has compiled a list of the new shortcut keys in Windows 8. Brings up the modern UI start screen. You can start typing to search for an app, just like the Win 7 start menu. Plus D brings up the old Windows desktop. Plus C brings up the Charms menu, where you can search, share, and change settings. Plus I opens the settings panel, where you can change settings for the current app, change volume, wireless networks, shut down, or adjust the brightness. Plus Z opens the app bar for the current Metro application. Plus H opens the modern UI share panel. Plus Q brings up the modern UI app search screen. Plus W brings up the modern UI settings search screen. Plus F brings up the modern UI file search screen. Plus K opens the devices panel for connecting to a projector or some other device. Plus, comma, arrow peek at the desktop. Plus, period, snaps the current Metro application to one side of the screen. Right side. Plus Shift plus, period, snaps the current Metro application to the other side of the screen. Left side. Plus J switches focus between snapped Metro applications. Plus page up, page down, moves the current app to the other monitor. Plus tab opens the modern UI application switcher menu, switches between applications. Plus X opens the advanced user menu. A more comprehensive list, including the shortcuts unchanged from Windows 7, can be found at PC World.
Maybe there are more and you know it, but at this time I got this one in Windows Explorer. Just select the file by clicking on it and then press Alt plus V. Now under the View menu you will see the options, and with these options you will see their shortcuts respectively. If you want to hide this file/folder, then after pressing the Alt plus V you have to press the HS and it will be hidden. For showing hidden item just press the H key. The same for the Alt plus S, where you can share, burn to disk, even zip the file with the shortcuts. After pressing Alt plus H will let you. Co equals copy Control plus C. C equals cut similar to Control plus X. CP equals copy path. V equals paste similar to Control plus V. PS equals paste shortcut. S equals select Alt while Control plus A still works. And more are listed with options. Control plus escape equals Win key. Switch between modern desktop start screen and the last accessed application. Plus C, access the Charms bar. Plus Tab, access the modern desktop taskbar. Plus I, access the settings charm. Plus H, access the share charm. Plus K, access the device's charm. Plus Q, access the app's search screen. Plus F, access the file's search screen. Plus W, access the settings search screen. Plus P, access the second screen bar. Plus Z, brings up the app bar when you have a modern desktop app running. Plus X, access the Windows Tools menu. Plus O, lock screen orientation. Plus, move the screen split to the right. Plus Shift plus, move the screen split to the left. Plus V, view all active toasts/notifications. Plus Shift plus V, view all active toasts/notifications in reverse order. Plus PRTSCN, takes a screenshot of the screen and automatically saves it in the Pictures folder as screenshot. Plus Enter, launch narrator. Plus E, open computer. Plus R, open the Run dialog box. Plus U, open Ease of Access Center. Plus Control plus F, open Find Computers dialog box. Plus Pause/break, open the system page. Plus 1:10, launch a program pinned on the taskbar in the position indicated by the number. Plus Shift plus 1:10, launch a new instance of a program pinned on the taskbar in the position indicated by the number. Plus Control plus 1:10, access the last active instance of a program pinned on the taskbar in the position indicated by the number. Plus Alt plus 1:10, access the jump list of a program pinned on the taskbar in the position indicated by the number. Plus B, select the first item in the notification area and then use the arrow keys to cycle through the items. Press Enter to open the selected item. Plus Control plus B, access the program that is displaying a message in the notification area. Plus T, cycle through the items on the taskbar. Plus M, minimize all windows. Plus Shift plus M, restore all minimized windows. Plus D, show/hide desktop, minimize/restore all windows. Plus L, lock computer. Plus up arrow, maximize current window. Plus down arrow, minimize/restore current window. Plus Home, minimize all but the current window. Plus left arrow, tile window on the left side of the screen. Plus right arrow, tile window on the right side of the screen. Plus Shift plus up arrow, extend current window from the top to the bottom of the screen. Plus Shift plus left/right arrow, move the current window from one monitor to the next. Plus F1, launch Windows Help and Support. Page up, scroll forward on the modern desktop start screen. Page down, scroll backward on the modern desktop start screen. Escape, close a charm. Control plus Escape, switch between modern desktop start screen and the last accessed application. Control plus mouse scroll wheel, activate the semantic zoom on the modern desktop screen. Alt, display a hidden menu bar. Alt plus D, select the address bar. Alt plus P, display the preview pane in Windows Explorer. Alt plus Tab, cycle forward through open windows. Alt plus Shift plus Tab, cycle backward through open windows. Alt plus F, close the current window, open the shutdown Windows dialog box from the desktop. Alt plus Spacebar, access the shortcut menu for current window. Alt plus Escape, cycle between open programs in the order that they were opened. Alt plus Enter, open the Properties dialog box of the selected item. Alt plus PRTSCN, take a screenshot of the active window and place it in the clipboard. Alt plus up arrow, move up one folder level in Windows Explorer, like the up arrow in XP. Alt plus left arrow, display the previous folder. Alt plus right arrow, display the next folder. Shift plus insert, CD/DVD load CD/DVD without triggering autoplay or autorun. Shift plus delete, permanently delete the item, rather than sending it to the recycle bin. Shift plus F6, cycle backward through elements in a window or dialog box. Shift plus F10, access the context menu for the selected item. Shift plus Tab, cycle backward through elements in a window or dialog box. Shift plus click, select a consecutive group of items. Shift plus click on a taskbar button, launch a new instance of a program. Shift plus right click on a taskbar button, access the context menu for the selected item. Control plus A, select all items. Control plus C, copy the selected item. Control plus X, cut the selected item. Control plus V, paste the selected item. Control plus D, delete selected item. Control plus Z, undo an action. Control plus Y, redo an action. Control plus N, open a new window in Windows Explorer. Control plus W, close current window in Windows Explorer. Control plus E, select the search box in the upper right corner of a window. Control plus Shift plus N, create new folder. Control plus Shift plus Escape, open the Windows Task Manager. Control plus Alt plus Tab, use arrow keys to cycle through open windows. Control plus Alt plus Delete, access the Windows security screen. Control plus Click, select multiple individual items. Control plus Click and drag an item, copies that item in the same folder. Control plus Shift plus Click and drag an item, creates a shortcut for that item in the same folder. Control plus Tab, move forward through tabs. Control plus Shift plus Tab, move backward through tabs. Control plus Shift plus click on a taskbar button, launch a new instance of a program as an administrator. Control plus click on a group taskbar button, cycle through the instances of a program in the group. F1, display help. F2, rename a file. F3, open search. F4, display the address bar list. F5, refresh display. F6, cycle forward through elements in a window or dialog box. F7, display command history in a command prompt. F10, display hidden menu bar. F11, toggle full screen display. Tab, cycle forward through elements in a window or dialog box. PRTSCN, take a screenshot of the entire screen and place it in the clipboard. Home, move to the top of the active window. End, move to the bottom of the active window. Delete, delete the selected item. Backspace, display the previous folder in Windows Explorer. Move up one folder level in Open or Save dialog box. Escape, close a dialog box. Noom lock enabled ++, display the contents of the selected folder. Noom lock enabled +, collapse the selected folder. Noom lock enabled +, expand all subfolders under the selected folder. Press Shift 5 times, turn stick eye keys on or off. Hold down right Shift for 8 seconds, turn filter keys on or off. Hold down Noom lock for 5 seconds, turn toggle keys on or off. From MSDN blog. Microsoft KB for more shortcuts while they have listed normal.
If you are a developer, this is one of the commands you'll love the most. Win plus X in GTA. Starts a command prompt with administrator privileges.
With Windows 8 and Windows RT, you can use the keyboard shortcuts you're already using as well as new keyboard shortcuts for Windows 8 and Windows RT. For a bigger list of keyboard shortcuts relating to Windows 8 and Windows RT, see here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.